Hello everyone, welcome to our FSTN Academy. So in FSTN Academy, class 12 food and nutrition class, this is your first semester class. It means it starts with semester 3. So in semester 3 in food and nutrition class, the first chapter is about biochemical and biophysical aspect in nutrition. So what is the biochemical component in human body and what are the biophysical actions in human body? We will going to know in this class. Okay, so in this first class you have to know about the enzymes is the that biochemical component found in our body that performs our biochemical functions. That means our biochemistry is completely based on our enzymes are actually two types. One is digestive enzymes and the another is metabolic enzymes. We all know the digestive enzymes means it will help in our digestion. It means it founds in our digestive tract. It founds in our digestive tract. And the metabolic enzymes are those who helps in metabolism. It means when the carbohydrate, protein, fat are the nutrients found in our body after consumption of food or after absorption of the food nutrients, it goes through the metabolic pathway. So in metabolism of those nutrients, it create the energies, and the metabolic enzymes are help to perform those metabolisms. So it actually founds in liver. As we know, liver is our largest biochemical in laboratory. Liver is our largest biochemical laboratory. So the metabolic enzymes are found in liver. So liver is our main metabolic laboratory in our body. So what are the enzymes? What does the term means? The term means it actually performs just like a catalyst. What does the catalyst word mean? You all know in chemistry, the catalyst means the component which accelerate the function of any enzymes, the function of any chemical reaction. So our body continuously doing various chemical reactions. So in those reactions, the enzymes are those biochemical component who acts as a catalyst and accelerate those metabolic reactions. It can be catabolism, it can be anabolism, but it accelerates those metabolic reactions. And what is the nature of the enzymes? Enzymes are actually consist of protein. So if there is deficiency in protein in our body, it means the enzymes will not be formed in our body properly, and automatically it will not act in our body properly. So for that reason, protein is the main component of our anything in our body. So building block of our body is protein, and protein makes enzymes, and enzymes acts as a catalyst, and these catalysts actually help in our digestive reactions and our metabolic reactions. By the digestive reactions, we break down the largest particle of our food into the simple particle, and by the metabolic reactions, those small particles, those absorbed in our blood, that goes into a mitochondria of liver and produce energy and ATPs. So enzyme is the most important biochemical component in our body to give the destination of any ingested food. In the ingested foods are break down in smallest particle through digestive enzymes, and those absorbed food item generate energies or ATPs through metabolic enzymes. So by catabolism or anabolism, enzymes performs in this way. So we all know about the enzymes part, but how those biochemical pathways are going on, and how those reactions and those pathways, how the biophysical actions are going on, we will going to know these parts. But after the descriptions or the examples of the enzyme, we have to know what are the characteristics, features of the enzymes. Before going these features, we cannot actually generalize the function, the differentiate of the enzyme. So now I am going to explain about the characteristics of the enzymes. So the main characteristics of enzymes or any biochemical reaction, the main funda is temperature. If the temperature is not suitable of any of the enzyme, it will not work properly. So each and every enzyme has actual active temperature. So in those active temperature binding ambience, they will all work properly. So next I will go for next feature, that is the pH balance. As enzyme is a chemical compound, and if the substrate and the product of any reaction is acidic, enzyme must be acidic. If the substrate and product is neutral, enzyme must be neutral. Or the basic of substrate and product, the enzyme must be basic. It can't be any other category. It means if enzyme is the same category of substrate and product, it will work properly and actually it will accelerate the reactions. So it means the pH balance of each and every enzymes, and for the each and every reactions we need specific enzymes for those reactions. So each and every reaction needs specific enzymes, and each specific enzyme needs specific temperature, specific pH. And we will go for next function or next feature of enzyme. We already knows those features, that is the structural natures. The structural nature means that each and every enzymes are consist of protein, and the function of enzyme, one of the function I have already mentioned, that is catalytic function of enzyme. It means enzyme must be catalytic. The catalytic function is very important of any enzyme properties. Okay. Next, I will go for the specificity. I have already mentioned these features. The specificity means that each and every reaction needs its specific enzymes. Though, except those specific enzymes, the reactions will not actually perform in proper way in our body. So, each and if we break down carbohydrate into glucose, it means we need amylolytic enzymes. And if we want to break down the starch into glucose, we need the specific enzymes, not any other enzymes. It means not any other amylolytic enzymes also. The specific amylolytic enzyme actually need for the specific carbohydrate depletion. And any other reactions also have same example. If we want to break down the milk protein into amino acid, we need specific enzymes. If we want to break down the muscle protein, means collagen, into the simple amino acid, it needs different enzymes. So it clearly shows that the enzyme has the specific features to perform in specific reactions. So specificity is another features of any enzyme. So next I will go for the another features of enzyme, that is reversible or irreversible enzymes. It means if a reaction is reversible, the enzyme must be have the reversible features. If the reaction is irreversible, the enzyme also must be irreversible enzymes. Okay. So these are the features of enzymes. Another various features are there for enzymes, you will found in your book. So it means the concentration level of the product or the concentration level of substrate differentiate the different enzymes. So we need the specific reactions to found the specific enzymes. But except these features, we have to found some reaction specific terms. It means if our enzyme is going to a substrate to product reaction, so it means the substrate should be specific, it means the product should be specific. But except this substrate and the product part, we have to found the site where the enzyme will put in this reaction. So it means there is some active site to perform better of the enzymes. So active site is very important. Where the active site is found, there will be raised activation energy. So when the activation energy or the energy activation will be occurred, then the enzyme will work properly in those particular reactions. So activation energy will actually activated in the active site. So activation energy will activate actually the enzyme's function. Then the enzyme will accelerate the particular reaction. So active site is very important. Each and every reaction has the different active site, and their activation energy will be different. So it means it will require the different enzymes for those different active site and activation energy, and automatically the specific enzyme will accelerate those metabolic or the digestive reactions. So here we complete our definition and examples of enzymes, the types of enzymes and the features of enzymes. You will found very clear in your book, and I will go for the fact file at the end of the chapter. So today I will end today's class, and next day I will complete another topic of this chapter. Okay, thank you.